So here are the answers for the 512 review preview. So 18 said to solve each equation below. So I want to get rid of the fractions first. So I know that the common denominator of 2 and 6 is 12. So I am going to multiply the whole thing by 12. So when I do that, I get 12x over 2 plus 12x over 6 equals 84. So multiply everything by 12. 2 goes into 12 6 times, so I get 6x plus 2x equals 84. So I end up with 8x equals 84. And then I divide both sides by 8. X equals 10.5. So for B, my common denominator is actually 18, because 9, 2, and 3. So then I get 18x over 9 plus 36 x over 2 equals 18 over 3. So then I end up with 2x plus 18x equals 6. So 20x, divide both sides by 20, and I end up with x equals 0.3, or 3/10. Problem 19, it says Fisher thinks that any two lines must have a point of intersection. Is he correct? If so, explain how you know. If not, produce a counterexample and explain your reasoning. So the answer is Fisher is wrong. Because parallel lines will never touch or never cross. And problem 20, in the last election, candidate B received twice as many votes as candidate A. Candidate C received 15,000 fewer votes than candidate A. A total of 109,000 votes were cast. How many votes? So I made myself a little table with A, B, and C to help me write an equation. You can do it without an equation, but it's easier to do one with. So A would be X, B is twice as many, so it's 2X, and C is 15,000 fewer, so it's X minus 15,000. So then I combined like terms and got 4X minus 15,000 equal to 109,000. Added my 15,000. Got 4x equals 124,000. So x ends up equaling 31,000, which is candidate A, but the question says how many did candidate B get? So we say candidate B received, so we double 31,000, so 62,000 votes. Problem 21, Jamila wants to play a game called Guess My Line. She gives you the following hints. 2 points are on my line. 1, 1, so 1, 1 is right there, and 2, 4. Those 2 points right there. So then it says, what's the growth rate of her line? So I can make a triangle. We did it in a different color. It's going up by 1, 2, 3. So the growth rate is 3. So then it says, what's the y-intercept? So I know that if I go up 3 and over 1, I could go down 1, 2, 3, and over 1. So my growth rate is -2. I'm sorry, my y-intercept is -2. So then I could actually connect my line. So then it says, what's the equation of my line? So if I know the growth rate is 3 and my y-intercept is -2, I just do y equals mx plus b. So I do y equals 3x minus 2. Problem 22, solve these equations. So for A, I'm going to distribute the 2 and get 6x minus 8 equals 22. Add 8. And 6x equals 30. So x equals 5. For B, I'm going to distribute 6. So I get 12x minus 30 equals -x minus 4. Add x to both sides. I get 13x minus 30 equals -4. Add 30. So I get 13x equals 26. So x is going to equal 2. For this one, first I distribute a negative. So I get 2 minus y minus 2 equals 3y. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So I get negative y equals 3y. Add y to both sides. So I get 0 equals 4y. So y equals 0. And for D, I get 3 plus 4x plus 4 is 159. So I get 4x plus 7. Subtract 7 from both sides. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 38.